Hi, this is Keith Davidson at Albertson and Davidson, and today I want to talk to you about a little known trust provision that was used by the Donald Sterling case to allow his wife to sell the Clippers for $2 billion. And it's interesting to me that the entire case, a $2 billion deal, turned on whether or not a little known trust provision was going to be enforced. And that trust provision allowed for a co-trustee to be removed from office if a physician says that he lacked capacity. And you'll find these in almost every trust that you look at. And of course, it's there for a reason. The main reason you create a trust is because you don't want to go to court. And that means that if one of the co-trustees, in this case, Donald Sterling and his wife Shelley, they were acting as co-trustees, if one of them lost capacity, you wanted some means or some mechanism for that incapacitated person to step down so that the other spouse could manage the estate all by themselves. And if you don't have a provision in your trust, then you would be stuck going to court and asking the court to make that determination. So of course, most trusts want to avoid court. So they have a provision that says if you get a note from one physician, an opinion from one physician saying that a person lacks capacity, then they can be removed as co-trustee. And that's exactly what Shelley Sterling did. And so Donald Sterling was declared to have lacked capacity to act as co-trustee, and Shelley had the right to act alone. And of course, she wanted to sell the franchise, and she ultimately was able to do that. So think a little bit about when you're doing your planning. There's a lot of provisions in your trust that you may think have no bearing to you or aren't that important, and yet they can become very important depending on the facts and circumstances of your particular estate.